Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Meet the OPPO Find X9S Pro, a smartphone built for people who are serious about mobile photography. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. The standout feature here is its incredible camera system. Both the main camera and the telephoto camera are equipped with Hasselblad-tuned 200-megapixel sensors, and the remaining lenses are just as impressive. You can check out the full specifications above. If I had to sum up the Find X9S Pro's camera setup in a single sentence, I'd say it delivers a true ultra-level imaging experience. Inside the camera app, enabling Hasselblad Ultralight mode along with the 200-megapixel option unlocks full-resolution shooting on both the primary and telephoto cameras. Thanks to the large sensor size behind these 200-megapixel cameras, the resulting images are exceptionally detailed and crisp. When you zoom into architectural shots, even tiny elements like screw textures remain clearly visible, which is genuinely impressive. Of course, the real advantage of such high resolution goes beyond capturing more detail. The biggest benefit is the freedom to crop without sacrificing image quality. Take this red wall photo as an example. At first glance, the composition feels awkward and lacks a clear subject, but after cropping, the focus shifts to a sign displaying the word Beijing, transforming what looked like an unusable photo into a strong image while maintaining excellent sharpness. The 23mm lens can easily serve as a medium telephoto option, while the 65mm telephoto lens extends into super telephoto territory, giving photographers even more flexibility. Together with the 15mm ultra-wide camera, the system effectively creates a 3-camera setup covering 5 focal lengths. All 5 focal lengths support 50-megapixel ultralight 8K image capture, making them suitable for a wide range of shooting situations. The 15mm ultra-wide lens is perfect for dramatic landscapes and expansive panoramic scenes. The 23mm focal length works beautifully for everyday street photography. Moving to 46mm, you get a balanced focal length that's ideal for portrait work, while 65mm remains one of the most versatile choices for portrait photography. At 130mm, the super telephoto lens delivers excellent background compression, making it ideal for capturing people, animals, and distant subjects with stunning visual separation. OPPO has also introduced its second-generation single-edge color reproduction lens technology. This helps the camera handle challenging color-rich environments, whether it's vibrant neon lights at night, scenes dominated by solid colors, or reflective metallic materials such as gold foil. The Find X9S Pro reproduces reds accurately, keeps greens natural, and renders yellows with a refined look, resulting in photos that appear more realistic and true to life. Another area where the Find X9S Pro shines is video recording. OPPO clearly has worked to overcome many of the traditional video limitations associated with Android smartphones. To see how capable it is, let's compare it directly with the widely regarded video champion, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. When recording 4K 30fps log footage, the Find X9S Pro demonstrates a wider dynamic range and manages difficult lighting situations more effectively. For example, it avoids the excessive glare and sunset reflections on glass that can appear in footage from the iPhone. Even better, log footage captured on the Find X9S Pro doesn't require extensive editing on a computer. The phone supports easy LUT imports, custom color adjustments, 2 built-in LUT presets, and storage for up to 20 personalized color profiles. Real-time previews while shooting let creators see the final look instantly, removing much of the tedious color grading process and making cinematic video creation far more accessible. Beyond serious photography, OPPO has added several fun and social-friendly features. One example is the popular collage function often seen on Xiaohongshu. The Find X9S Pro can intelligently combine images captured by the main camera and the telephoto camera into a single ultra-clear collage that remains sharp throughout. It can also merge multiple 4K 3D live photos into a stunning 4K live collage. Once the collage is created, users can share it directly to Xiaohongshu while preserving full 4K HDR quality, ensuring every detail remains intact and every memory looks its best. OPPO even addressed one of the most common photography challenges: dark faces caused by backlighting or poor lighting conditions. Using the AI reflector fill light feature, the phone automatically analyzes ambient lighting and intelligently brightens subjects when needed. This helps maintain properly exposed faces without requiring any manual adjustments. Even better, the feature works completely offline, which I really appreciate. After exploring everything the Find X9S Pro camera system can do, the biggest surprise for me isn't actually the camera itself. What stands out is that OPPO has managed to focus heavily on photography without sacrificing the phone's overall design and in-hand feel. The version I received comes in my favorite finish, white. Although it's officially called white, the back panel reveals a subtle purple tint when viewed from certain angles, giving it an elegant and distinctive appearance.
The overall design stays true to the signature styling introduced with the X9 Pro, making the phone instantly recognizable at first glance. However, the Find X9S Pro adds a new inspiration window within the camera module design, giving the entire rear panel a more unified and refined appearance. The back cover features a premium velvet textured finish that not only looks elegant, but also feels incredibly soft and silky in the hand. Thanks to its compact design, reaching every corner of the display with one hand is surprisingly easy. Weighing just 198 grams, the phone feels light and comfortable during everyday use. It delivers the kind of experience where you're fully in control of the device, rather than feeling like you're carrying around a bulky piece of hardware. On the software side, the Find X9S Pro arrives with the latest ColorOS 16 pre-installed. At this point, ColorOS has already earned its reputation as one of the best Android operating systems available. Daily tasks feel smooth and responsive, animations are fluid, and app launching or multitasking happens effortlessly. Building on that solid foundation, ColorOS 16 introduces several new interactive features that make the overall experience even more intuitive and enjoyable. One of the standout additions is AI Travel Compiler. Anyone who travels regularly knows how exhausting it can be to gather information before a trip. You need to browse travel guides, decide where to visit, plan your schedule, and jump between multiple apps just to organize everything. The entire process can become so complicated that you lose enthusiasm before the trip even starts. With AI Travel Compiler, the phone can collect and summarize travel guides and related information into one place, making trip planning dramatically easier. It practically solves one of life's biggest questions: where am I going and what should I do next? Another useful feature is lock mode. When notifications arrive, they appear in a compact capsule-style interface by default. A simple swipe upward expands the notification to reveal the full message. The animations feel responsive and polished, making interactions smooth and satisfying. When music is playing, tapping the music control transforms the capsule into an immersive mode that displays detailed information about the current track. Users can choose whether they want to see album artwork or song lyrics. The same immersive concept extends to navigation apps as well. While navigating, route information can be displayed directly in the background, allowing you to stay informed without constantly switching back and forth between applications. OPPO has also created a clever AI ordering feature designed specifically for travelers. Imagine sitting in a restaurant abroad and facing a menu written entirely in a language you don't understand. Instead of simply translating the text, the system goes one step further by converting menu items into visual representations of the actual dishes. This makes ordering much easier because you can instantly see what you're getting, rather than trying to interpret a vague translation. Honestly, if this feature had existed during one of my previous restaurant visits overseas, I probably wouldn't have accidentally ended up with a violin performance instead of a meal. Of course, a pro-level flagship needs more than just great software, and the Find X9S Pro certainly doesn't disappoint when it comes to hardware. The phone features a new 6.32-inch eye protection display, manufactured using the latest generation panel technology. I've included the detailed specifications in the comments section. From my experience, the display quality is excellent. The settings menu includes dedicated eye care options, and the phone can even adjust screen brightness based on visual sensitivity preferences. Combined with ultra-slim 1.1mm symmetrical bezels on all four sides, the display looks premium while remaining comfortable to view for extended periods of time. Powering the device is the Dimensity 9500 chipset paired with the new Tide engine. Instead of focusing on theoretical performance numbers, let's talk about real-world results. We tested Honor of Kings with both graphics and frame rate settings pushed to their maximum values, including 144 FPS mode. After 30 minutes of gameplay, the X9S Pro achieved an average frame rate of 143.7 FPS. The experience felt incredibly smooth, especially considering the demanding graphics settings and high resolution. Throughout the session, there were no noticeable frame drops, and the stable performance even helped me secure 3 consecutive victories. The highest temperature measured on the front of the device reached 40.5 degrees Celsius. More importantly, heat levels remained controlled without continuously climbing during gameplay. Power consumption was equally impressive, averaging just 3.46 watts. For everyday gaming, this level of performance is more than capable. Battery life is another strong point. The X9S Pro packs a large 7,025 mAh battery and supports 80-watt wired fast charging alongside 50-watt wireless charging. During a 4-hour battery endurance test conducted on a 5G network, the phone still had 75% battery remaining. For most users, getting through an entire day on a single charge should be very achievable. After spending some time with the X9S Pro, one word keeps coming to mind: balanced. The combination of hardware, software, and overall user experience feels incredibly complete. The dual 200-megapixel camera upgrade pushes image quality beyond what you might expect from its pro-level positioning, while the compact design keeps the phone comfortable to use with one hand. It's rare to find a device that successfully combines flagship-level performance, premium photography, and excellent ergonomics in the same package. If you're looking for a smartphone that feels great in hand, performs exceptionally well, and delivers outstanding camera quality, the OPPO Find X9S Pro is definitely worth considering. There is one thing to keep in mind though. Those 200-megapixel photos can take up a significant amount of storage space. Even users with plenty of storage will notice how large the files are. If you plan to shoot frequently in full 200-megapixel mode, choosing a higher storage variant right from the start would be a smart move. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!